Hello and welcome to another video, and on this video I'm at the Cleaning Expo 2026 and I'm here with Sam from Waterworks, and they've got something special on release at the show. First time they've shown it. So Sam, tell us what you've got.
So here we have the PowerUp IQ is what we're going to call it. So it's a hose reel that pretty much you close the van doors and you leave the van doors closed. It's for jobs which are just a street away. So if you're doing a house around the corner, it takes a lot of time to open the van doors, put the pole in, close the van doors. So this pretty much eliminates that. It's going to make you a lot more efficient, going to be a lot easier on your body because you're not bending over, you're not picking things up or anything like that. All it does, the pole hangs on the back of the van and the van doors close. So it uses a mechanical spooler mechanism with a 12-volt motor, and all you do is you have a key fob. It's pretty small. You got an A function and a B function. Great thing about this, so a lot of people are worried about the hose trailing down the street. So this is me not clicking the key fob. I can unreel the hose and it's going to gently pull it back together tight with the van. So it means that you're not going to have a big 50-meter loop around the back of the van.
So when you say, what sort of motor did you say? A spooler motor?
So it's a mechanical spooler mechanism. So it spools the hose side to side.
So it moves as it winds it back on.
Yep.
It's not all winding on in one place.
No, that's correct.
It's moving from side to side.
Yes, correct. And it uses a 12-volt mechanism with an aerial. So the aerial is big enough so when you are walking out and you're 100 meters out, 50 meters out, the remote will pick it up and you'll be able to wind up as you walk back to the van.
So this isn't actually out yet, is it?
No, so we are doing
a time of recording.
Yes, we are. This is the first shown video of it working, being released. But it's you know, the only thing we've got to sort out is this pole rack. This is just a quick thing that we've made. But you know, we need to make a version where it's suitable for any van, no matter how big, no matter how small. If you've got roof racks, if you don't. So that is the final thing. Apart from that, everything is absolutely perfect.
So we were talking about it earlier, and we were talking about the complete setup with the hose reel and everything.
Yep.
When it's finished, does the price include your floor reel?
It will do, yes.
As well?
So obviously the floor guide roller, the security pulley is what we call it, is definitely needed to, you know, put the hose through the floor and then hang it on the back of the van. If you don't have that, you can still use it. Van doors open, while you're walking back you just have the van doors open and just put the pole in. It is still a lot quicker because you don't have to stand at the back of the van for 30 seconds winding it in. So it's a great benefit.
So you wind it in as you're walking back?
Correct, yes.
And how much would it cost roughly, you know, as a ballpark figure?
So ballpark figure altogether with the Expo price on the reel, you'll be looking at around about the 1200 plus VAT mark for everything you see here. So that will be the reel, the spooler, the little bracket on the bumper, the security pulley and the bracket on the roof. Obviously that doesn't include the hose or the pole.
So Waterworks don't just do reels, they don't just do the PowerUp wheel, they do other things as well. What else
so
do you do?
here we've got a two-man system. It's a 750 litre. It's got a battery-to-battery charger on it, which means, for people that don't know, it's connected to the van battery. So when you're driving around job to job, behind this stainless steel covered door, there is a 12-volt leisure battery. It's just going to keep that leisure battery topped up, so you know you can keep your pumps running all day without worrying about charging the battery.
Has this got a filter fitted with it?
This one doesn't, no. This is a delivery only. But yes, we can get hold of the full filtration systems, which are, in my opinion, the most efficient ones possible. Everything is, as you open the sliding door, everything is there. Your pre-filters, your DI bottle, and the RO membrane comes out the back door, so there's no disassembly required.
And do you just sell this kit, or do you fit it as well?
We can fit it as well. We've got a fitting shop in Corby, Northamptonshire, and we are looking at opening a few more around the country. We do have a supplier up in Scotland near Livingstone that can install our systems. So yeah, it's you know, becoming bigger and bigger, the systems.
Are they chain driven or are they shaft driven, direct drive?
So these here, so the reels used to be belt drive. We did have some problems with them in the past, but now since 2020, late 2023, they are all chain drive now, so much more reliable. And anyone that has our older HD reels you'll know how good the chain drive system is, and it uses exactly the same chain drive system as the old HD reels.
If it did happen to throw the chain, can you get in to put it back on?
You can, absolutely, yep. And there's tons of YouTube videos of myself breaking the reels down, doing maintenance on the reels, changing various bits and bobs that may go wrong, and all the videos are, you know, 5-10 minutes long, and all the tools are broken down, and it's a step-by-step video.
And Waterworks don't just do powered reels, you do manual reels as well?
Yeah, we do manual reels, we do the XL for 200 metres of hose, we can do pressure washing reels, we do systems, all the accessories, fully stainless steel adjustable roof mounted pole racks, you name it, we can pretty much do it. So another good thing about this system is it's fully stainless steel, and it's the only system that is crash tested up to date through the floor only, so there's no chassis drilling required, which means that you don't have to re-register your vans.
There's a bit of controversy over
there is, yes, you know.
Do you want to explain that very briefly?
It's one of them topics, so a little bit of research we've been doing, we found that you shouldn't really be drilling your chassis. It's been tapped into everyone's head that, yeah, you know, chassis drilling is okay, but in fact you shouldn't really do it, and you shouldn't do it, you know, if you can get away with it. That's a great thing with our system. So if you are on a lease van or you've got a brand new van, it's in warranty, there is no chassis drilling required. It is just 8 fixings through the floor, all wired up to the battery, to the van battery if needed, and then the push buttons all neatly routed either side of the door. Sorry, if you want any more information on this, reach out to myself at Waterworks. The mobile number is 01536 38 44 34, or just contact Dave, and I'm sure Dave will be able to help you.
Put you through.
And it was absolutely amazing to meet you here.
Yeah, it's been great. It's a good show, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And if you don't make it, if you haven't made it this year, make sure you do come next year, because it's just all round a great atmosphere. You know, there's so many new faces here, and it's great to catch up with everyone.
There's a lot of new suppliers at the show this year that I've never seen before.
Yeah, it is great. There's new equipment that I've been hearing about walking around, new faces meeting. It's long clients that we've been dealing with for years. I've never met face to face, and they come up, obviously they know who we are. As soon as they start talking, I'm like, oh, hello, how are you? And it's absolutely great. So if you haven't come this year, please make sure to try and come next year at least. Yeah,
come and say hello.
Yes, absolutely, it's great, and I'm sure Dave will be here. He's always walking around with his cameras, and I know last year he had a little van outside showing his van off. Yeah,
sure, got the water heater in the back of it. So yeah.
So, but no, if there is anything myself or Dave can do, don't hesitate to reach out.
So what I will do is, in the description of the video, below the video, I'll put all Waterworks contact details in there. I was talking to Jordan earlier about an older version of the PowerUp reel that they had. I'm going to link that up above, so you'll be able to have a look at that and see how far the design has changed and how far things have come.
Yeah, I believe it was about 10 years ago it was released, the very first version of this. So this has been in the making for 10 years. And we are very, very close now, just a final few bits to polish it off, and it's ready to use.
When do you think these will be actually going out?
We're hoping within the next 3 months. Don't hold me to that.
Will be April, May, June?
June, yeah, we reckon June to August sort of time. These are going to be released and ready to sell.
So, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Absolutely. If you get a chance, take a look at the PowerUp reel. It's absolutely fantastic piece of kit, and I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. So Sam, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks very much, Dave.
Nice to have met you and had a chat to you.
Absolutely, and hopefully I'll see you here next year.
All being well. So if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.